Here is example number 1. In this particular case, our measurement is of pressure. The pressure initially is detected from the pipeline at that junction, and then from there goes straight into our pressure gauge. So it enters up through here and into the gauge itself. In this particular system, there are 2 pressure gauges, one of which is an absolute pressure gauge, the one on the left, and a normal gauge pressure gauge on the right hand side. As you can see, the one on the right goes from -1 bar to +3, whereas the one on the left shows 0, and the 0 in that case is absolute 0. And so 1 bar absolute pressure is equivalent to 0 gauge pressure. In this particular case, both gauges are diaphragm gauges. The opposite type could be to use a Borden tube gauge in this situation. So either Borden tube or diaphragm would fit the bill. So this is given purely an indication of pressure. As far as the measuring system is concerned, the conversion takes place at the diaphragm. The diaphragm simply produces movement, and this is the linkage inside the gauge that eventually shows the pressure reading on the scale.